Hey everybody, Jim here again. Before we start this job, let's go over the tools we need. We'll need a 10mm socket, make sure you don't lose it. Then you're going to need some sort of ratcheting wrench. In my case, I'm using a 1/2-inch drive with a long handle. And then you're going to need an inch-pound torque wrench and anti-seize. Alright, so we're here under the transmission of the truck, and as you can see, I've already taken out one bolt. This is what it looks like when it's not rusty, and today we're just gonna apply some anti-seize onto all 12 of the bolts. So what I did was just take them out one by one, and then I'd apply this anti-seize right here, and then I'd reapply the bolt, screw it in hand tight, and then I'd torque it back into its place. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I removed this bolt here. And the trick is to use one of these guys. I know it's pretty overkill with a long handle and a 1/2-inch drive, but it allows me to work slow and use maximum torque without going too fast or stressing out the bolt head. And I'll show you right here. Okay, so I didn't realize how difficult it was to hold a wrench and film at the same time, but here we go. So you can see right here that I have the socket on the bolt head and I'm just turning very slow, keeping it centered. And that's all you need. And then I use my impact driver to slowly twist away the remaining threads, just to speed it up. And here's the next bolt taken out. Now what you want to do is just apply anti-seize to all the threads and then torque it back to 65 inch-pounds. You're going to want to do this for all 12 bolts. Thanks for watching.